Hey guys, how you doing? On day 5, we get live. We are on the 5th law, the law of addition. Leaders add value by serving others. Here's a question while we start. Here's a question raised in the book. Are you making things better for the people who are following you? Are you making things better for the people who are following you, the people who you have influence over, the people you're navigating, the people you are leading through the process of leadership? Are you making things better for those people? You see, leadership is not about advancement of self, it's about advancement of others. That's where true power and true authority and true influence is seen, for it is the one who gives power that shows that he has enough power to give, that he has the humility to give, that he is sure of his leadership that he can give, that he is sure of his level of influence, that he is not afraid to give that away, to give away leadership, to give away some influence, to give away power and empower other people to lead so that they might grow in what they're doing. And in doing so, leaders serve them and add to their value and develop them into be greater leaders. Second, leaders who add value to other people, they do so intentionally. You don't add value to someone by accident. It should be an intentional action. You intentionally give power. You intentionally put someone in a position where they would be able to grow and their influence would grow, even if it doesn't mean that yours does, or if it means that some of your influence is given to that person. Why? Because it causes that person to excel and to advance, and it is the advancement of others that is the purpose of leadership, not about advancing yourself. There are 4 guidelines that John Maxwell talks about in regards to adding value, and they're this. First, leaders add value when they truly value others. You can't give value to someone you do not value. It's not possible. It's like giving something to someone that you know is going to fail. There's no reason for you to do it, no logical reason for you to do it. You have to trust your team. You have to have value to add value. Second, leaders add value when they make themselves more valuable to others. Leaders add value to others when they make themselves more valuable to others. If you can prove that you can show a benefit and you can have a benefit and you can produce a positive outcome for someone that you're influencing and that you're leading, you're going to add value to yourself, which will cause you to be able to add value to others. Step 3, leaders add value to others when they know and relate to what others value. This is crucial. If you don't know the people that you're adding value to, you don't know how to add value to them. You don't. Because you don't know if what you're going to do is going to offend them or relate to them, or it's going to be something they don't even get one bit at all. Why? Because you need to be able to know the people you're adding value to so you know how to add value to them. Fourth, they add value to others when they do things that God values. This is personal to me. But it does talk, John Maxwell does talk about this. God desires that we treat people with respect and reach out to them and serve them. You may have heard of the golden rule: do to others as you would have them do to you. Serve others, empower others as perhaps they would have you serve them. We treat people with respect to reach out to them. And this standard can influence everything that a leader does. This standard can be instrumental. These 4 standards, these 4 markers, can be instrumental in you not only advancing yourself, but in practice and intentionally advancing others. One core value comes down to this. There's several points of application that John Maxwell gives away, but one sticks out above the rest. You have to be a servant. You have to submit to the ideology that you may be more advanced and you may have more qualifications than someone, but that doesn't mean that you can't serve them. That doesn't mean that you cannot empower them. In fact, the law of addition would demand that you do so. The law of addition that leaders add value by what? Serving others. You have to take on the attitude of a servant. So maybe take a step out of your way today and just serve someone who you normally wouldn't. Ask them how you can help them. You'd be surprised to see the shock on their face, but the joy on their face as well when they see that you're adding value to them because they value you as a leader. So add value to someone today. Practice that law of addition. Go serve someone today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.